You too see your boy shared with back another video of most beautiful haircut transformation, and I can guarantee you could never ever seen haircut like this, and this is gonna be a make your day. So don't skip this video, stick with this video and got the perfect haircut transformation right here. This is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation. If you are looking for some new haircut transformation ideas, I think this video is exactly uploaded for you. All of this craziest haircut transformation by us barber around the world, and all of this barber gonna be mentioned in my description box. So if you're really loving this huge and beautiful transformation, don't forget to comment your favorite haircut, and we will just review your comments and we'll try to upload exact haircut transformation for the next time. Wow, that was crispiest transformation. That was so sharp, that was beautiful, that was fantastic. That guy's got God gifted hands. He can cut your hair whatever you want. They got amazing skills, man. I think this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the day. Yeah, look at this guy. This looks so fantastic, short, neat and clean. Wow, this is gonna be a most satisfying and ASMR haircut transformation of the day. I think this haircut compilation will change your perception about the barbers and new style and lots of misconception about the new haircut transformation, getting new face, new style, and getting some change, you know. Whatever you do, eventually you need a good barber because that barber just save your life. I think a great barber is a blessing, you know. If you're satisfied with your barber, I think you are the blessed one. And all of these guys are blessed because they got that type of barbers. These barbers are just amazing. Just amazing. They got amazing skills, man. Damn, you know what I'm saying? They got skills. They got God gifted hands. Yeah, they are professional. Yes, they are because it's the action speaks louder than all of shits. I think this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the day. I think this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation of the day. If you're still watching this video, guys, I think you have to subscribe and turn the post notification to get updated for every new films. If you really wanna get haircut from this barber, I will mention all of this barber in my description box, so don't forget to visit them. Bam! That was super natural, clean, neat, most satisfying haircut transformation. And guys, I hope you had enjoyed all of this beautiful haircut transformation. As you can see, that was the last haircut transformation of the day, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe and the post notification to get update for every upload.